Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted guide to discovering the best products on the market. In today's video, we're reviewing what we're calling the best non-slip feet available on Amazon right now. The Amazon Basics Cabinet Door Bumpers. If you're tired of slamming cabinet doors or scratched surfaces, these just might be your next favorite household essential. Let's get straight into it. The Amazon Basics Cabinet Door Bumper Set comes in a 300-piece pack, and each pad is made from clear, flexible rubber. At first glance, they might not seem like much, small, transparent, and unassuming. But don't let their simplicity fool you. These bumpers do an excellent job at reducing noise, protecting surfaces, and blending seamlessly into your home environment. The bumpers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, which gives you the flexibility to use them in different scenarios around the house. Whether it's a kitchen cabinet door, a dresser drawer, a laptop base, or even undercutting boards and furniture, they offer a universal fit. With this one pack, you're covered for nearly every surface contact point in your home. Now let's talk about their core feature, surface protection. These bumpers create a soft barrier that prevents direct impact between hard surfaces. Say goodbye to paint chips, dents, and scratches that can happen over time. And when it comes to noise, they do a stellar job at softening that sharp bang sound of doors closing. It's a small change that makes a surprisingly big difference in your daily environment. Installation is quick and easy. Each bumper has a self-adhesive backing that sticks securely to surfaces like wood, glass, metal, ceramic, and even granite. Just peel and stick, no tools required. Despite being adhesive-based, they're easy to remove without leaving marks or sticky residue, making them a renter-friendly choice as well. Durability is another strong point. These bumpers aren't flimsy, they're thick, firm, and built to last. You won't find them flattening out or losing grip after just a few weeks. Once applied, they stay put through regular use, resisting wear and tear better than cheaper alternatives. Another reason we love them? Their discreet design. The clear rubber material blends into any decor, no awkward black dots or clunky foam pads. This subtle design makes them virtually invisible on most furniture and cabinet finishes, keeping your space looking clean and polished. Now, value is where this product really shines. For a very affordable price, you get a whopping 300 pieces. That's more than enough to cover your entire home and still have extras for future use. Considering their quality and versatility, that makes these bumpers one of the best value solutions on the market today. In terms of shipping, these are available on Amazon and can be delivered to several countries, including India. They're lightweight and come neatly packaged, so you won't have to deal with a messy or bulky shipment. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a low-cost, high-impact solution to reduce noise, protect your furniture, and make your home feel just a bit more refined, this is it. The Amazon Basics Cabinet Door Bumpers truly live up to their title as the best non-slip feet. Practical, reliable, and discreet, they're the kind of product you didn't know you needed until you start using them. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.